In primetime news this evening, talking time is over. Prime Minister outlines inclusive peace plan.
Low sales and snide remarks. Long way back to normalcy for crab circle vendors.
And a sixth person now in custody for brutal beating of child in Clarendon.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm.
And I'm Anthony Lugg. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Anthony, will have the gas prices. We'll also have some news in the banking sector. Sagicor has expanded to Latin America, and also Scotiabank had a bit of an incident today, so I'll have those details a little later on.
An incident, interesting. And Jermaine Brown is also here for a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports Wednesday.
Thank you, Andrea. Well, I'll tell you who's incident-free. Portmore United. They've picked up where they left off in 2023 as they've continued their winning ways in the Jamaica Premier League. We'll tell you about this and more a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what methods do you use to resolve conflicts?
Share comments online at facebook.com/television Jamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
And Romain is also here with us. Romain, what's coming up in weather?
Well, we're looking at some shower activity that should be occurring over the next couple of days across the east. But as we move into the weekend, slightly drier conditions.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.